What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video we're talking about an exciting exploration stage gold and silver company called Minaurum Gold. Now we've talked about Minaurum Gold before on the channel. In this video we're going to be giving you guys a full update on the company, what they're doing and what they're up to today. As we know, gold and silver are back on the rise. We had a little bit of a consolidation period and now the metals are moving back up at quite a rapid pace. So it's going to be an exciting summer to fall. I'm excited to cover this company along with the gold and silver sector, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I bring you Minaurum Gold. Also, don't forget to smash that like button if you appreciate all the types of videos that I put out, all the updates, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. And drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about gold, what you think about the company. I would love to hear from you guys. So let's take a look at the stock price first off. So as of the close of trade on Tuesday, June the 1st, Minaurum Gold closed at 45 cents, up 3 cents or 7.14%. So the stock has seen lows of 33 cents and highs of 85 cents, and it currently trades much closer to its 52-week low. So with gold on the rise, this might be an interesting company to take a look at. Like I said, the stock is far off its highs and it's starting to come back. So with gold and silver looking pretty good, might be one to take a look at. So first, let's dive into their website, and that is minaurum.com. Also, Minaurum trades on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol MGG. So let's first see what the company is all about. Why invest in Minaurum? Track record of large mineral discoveries. Minaurum's technical team members have been involved in several discoveries in Mexico, including Los Filos Gold Deposit Tech, Juanicipio Mag Silver, and Platosa Silver Mine Exelon. International deposits include OK Teddy Mine Gold and Copper Mine for BHP, Afemkakuru Gold Deposit for Eldorado Gold. Proven mine finders, members of Minaurum's technical team are responsible for several ore deposit discoveries in Mexico that contain more than 300 million ounces of silver and 16 million ounces of gold. District scale project portfolio. Minaurum has 8 district scale silver and gold projects. Minaurum has already made discoveries at the Alamo Silver Project, Adelita Copper Silver Project, currently in joint venture with ASR Resources, the Arena Gold Project, monetizing non-core assets including the Taviche Silver Gold Project via joint venture to Fortuna Silver. Strong shareholder base. High net worth shareholders, precious metal funds, and family offices comprise over 70% of the shareholder base. Management owns 10%, so it's nice to see management with, decent amount of skin in the game. The company does have a $153 million market cap. Trading liquidity with listings on TSX Venture, OTCQX, Best Market, and Frankfurt exchanges combined with steady news flow. Minaurum trades on average over 250,000 shares per day. And a strong balance sheet. Minaurum is fully financed for active exploration with $4.2 million in the treasury, no debt, with a phase 2 20,000 meter drill program at the Alamo Silver Project underway with frequent drill results and news flow. So we're going to give just a little bit more background about Minaurum, and then we will get into their investor presentation and tell you guys what the company is all about. So about Minaurum. Minaurum is a gold and silver discovery generator operated by one of the strongest technical and finance teams in Mexico. Minaurum's team members have a track record of over 300 million ounces of silver and 16 million ounces of gold discovered in Mexico. It is the company's goal to continue its founder's legacy by making new district-scale mineral discoveries. Our discovery generator exploration model is simple. Number 1, acquire new district-scale precious metal projects in Mexico. Number 2, advance them aggressively through exploration via extensive sampling, mapping, geophysics, and drilling to an advanced level of development. And number 3, monetize the projects either through a sale or spin out into new exploration spin co pure plays. So it is quite an interesting business model with multiple projects on the go, that discovery generator business model. So this is their newest investor presentation. We're going to go over it real quick. So number 1, why invest in Minaurum? Track record of large mineral discoveries. We talked about that. 300 million ounces of silver and 16 million ounces of gold in Mexico. Drilling our next silver discovery. Fully financed minimum 20,000 meter drill program underway at the high-grade Alamo Silver Project. Number 3, strong capital structure. Precious metal funds, family offices, and high net worth investors comprise over 75% of the shareholder base, and it is part of the SILJ NYSE Junior Silver Miner ETF. Number 4, discovery generator model diversifies exploration risk. We acquire district-scale precious metal projects, advance through drilling, then monetize them via sale or into spin-co pure plays. Non-core projects are advanced through partners such as Fortuna Silver Corp and Infinitum Copper Corp. Number 5, new catalysts throughout 2021. Multiple drill rigs will be turning at Alamos Silver Project, producing significant drill results. News flow, ongoing surface and underground exploration. And finally, trading liquidity. This is actually updated, so listed on the TSX Venture OTCQX in Frankfurt. Minaurum trades on average over 300,000 shares per day. So, share performance and capitalization. So, high net worth investors 60%, management 5%, retail 20%, precious metal funds 15%. So, consider this the most recent information. So, I just want to touch briefly on management, specifically the president, CEO, and director, Dale Rader. Mining financier and operator, has raised over $100 million for mineral exploration and development, founder of Defiance Silver Corp. We are a diversified silver and gold explorer. We create shareholder wealth through the discovery and development of new district-scale silver and gold discoveries. Southern Sonora State Alamos Silver Project, Guerrero Gold Belt, and the Oxana region. So there's where all of their projects are. You can take a look at those guys. We'll be keeping you up to date as to whether or not we will be interviewing their CEO. But here are, some of their exploration highlights for all of their different projects. As part of your own personal research and due diligence, I do highly encourage anyone even interested in the company, or any company for that matter, to always take a look for themselves at their investor presentation. So now let's talk about their asset in focus, you could say, our next discovery, the Alamos Silver Project. 37,317 hectare land package, paved and gravel roads access to the project, high voltage power on site, same permitting, community relations and drilling group as Silvercrest Metals, long-term community agreements. Airport's only 45 minutes away in the city of Alamos with a population of 25,000, and nearby Navajo City, 103,000. Just scratching the surface of a historical silver district. So the Alamos Silver District historically produced 200 million ounces of silver. Quintero Mine produced estimated 100 million ounces. Promontorio produced an estimated 70 million ounces from the late 17th century to the 19th century. Minas Nuevas' third largest historic mine, Minas Nuevas produced an estimated 30 million ounces from 1890 to 1912. Production stopped due to falling silver prices and the Mexican Revolution in the early 1900s. Historic mines ended in mineralization. So it's interesting. Their asset is in an area that has historically produced millions and millions of ounces of silver. Promontorio, Alamos historic producer, so second largest mine at Alamos, produced an estimated 70 million ounces of silver. Veins were high graded, leaving unmined mineralization behind, up to 20 meter in width. Historic underground drilling proven virgin mineralization continues at depth and along strike. Holes up to 50 meters below mine levels hit silver mineralization. Strike length of 735 meters, mine down to 230 meters depth, neighboring Quintero Mine. That's the 100 million ounces of production estimated, exceeding 500 meters in depth. So here's some highlights of their historic drilling at the Minas Nuevas mine. That's the third largest 30 million ounce historical production. We can see some of the gradings here, pretty good. 452 grams per ton, 367 grams per ton, and 839 grams per ton, 1.72 and 1.8 meters. Their phase 1 drill program. So the goal is to prove Alamos hosts not only 3 historical mines, but an entire high-grade silver district. Result 19 vein systems drilled, 14 returned high-grade silver intercepts. So they do have their phase 1 drill results right there on their investor presentation, and you can take a look at all of the grading. So their phase 2 exploration, quantifying our discovery. So minimum of 20,000 meters of drilling underway, aggressive step out drilling, 75 meters to 150 meters of the highest grade veins intersected in phase 1. Drilling commenced on July 14th with initial results released on September 24th, intersecting high grade silver. Minaurum drilled 14,099 meters in 40 holes using 2-man portable drill rigs. So finally, without trying to explain all of the technicals, what are the investor highlights? Potentially we might be able to get their CEO on for an interview to explain this a little bit more in detail, but for now, simply just going over their investor presentation for you guys, touching on the key points. So Alamos Silver Project, news flow, minimum 20,000 meter phase 2 drill program underway, frequent drill results, news announcements, Ongoing surface generative work focused on discovering, mapping, and sampling new vein systems. Exercise underlying option to acquire 100% of Alamos. Portfolio development news flow. Advance Santa Marta VMS district through drill permitting. Monetize spin-out of several non-core projects. Joint venture exploration and development via Tavishe Gold. Silver. Fortuna Silver Corp joint venture at Adelita Copper and Gold. And ASR Resources Corp joint venture. They also do have a YouTube channel if you want to find out more information. But that's it for the introduction, guys. As we know, this time right now with potential inflation on the way, they do say that gold and silver can be a great hedge to inflation. So we've seen the prices. They had a really nice rally last year, pulled back a bit. Looks like we're heading up. Who knows, guys, we could be headed to fresh all-time highs for the gold and silver sector. Hopefully, because I personally am a gold and silver bull myself, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, Minaurum might be an interesting stock to take a look at. Now, with that being said, always remember that this is a sponsored video. So for full disclosure details, check the description down below, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I'm out of here. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know what you think about the company. And always remember, Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.